First you take ears and then put the tongue over here. Glue it.
And then stick it.
Yes. Let it stick. Now you require to take the mouth. Make sure you have an opening for the mouth. Now you have to take the tongue out from the back side. And here are your ears. Just move it a bit up. That's it.
No glue here.
Don't glue it, otherwise your tongue will not move.
I'm sorry, Mom.
That's okay.
Get it away.
Yes. Rub it with your hand. Now we have to put the face on.
Hey, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Not done yet.
Not done yet? There you go.
We need to put it all the way up?
No, a little bit up.
Okay.
Just this much up.
Okay. There.
There you go.
Then.
Now you put your face on. Can you flip it up? Flip like that.
Flip like that.
And put your face on.
Did you see the glue?
No. Just put this yellow backwards.
Okay.
And there you go. And the mouth.
The mouth.
Yeah.
And goes on this.
Under the tongue.
Oh, under the tongue.
Yeah.
We
And
need
to glue it.
glue it.
Yeah.
I'll share the glue with you.
Thank you.
And you share the glue with me. Oh, like that. Okay.
Now is the fun part to put the eyes. And we got the wiggly eyes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh. Yeah, we will put the eye here. We have to put the glue on the eyes
Pause
too.
for a bit. Maybe hold it and you glue it.
Okay.
Sorry. I still have some glue.
That's okay.
Pull it.
Yeah, put it like this.
Okay.
Oh.
We got it, Dad.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Now we just have to...
Now it's the nosy.
We have to glue it.
We have to glue it too.
Once it's dry, then we can play with them and make a video.
Yeah. Give me the glue.
I'm gonna follow you.
There you go. Now we have this white square.
Okay. Just a bit there. We're getting there.
That's okay. That's okay.
Now we got it. Now put it here and stick together.
Yeah.
We're
Now-
getting there.
So just to make right till the ears. Don't put the nose yet, okay? So that it will be easy for you to flip.
Mm,
There you go.
Let's do the yellow. One.
Mhm. What, baby?
With the yellow.
See? There
I
it
can't
is.
squeeze it, Dad. Can you help me? Come on.
Mhm. It's not squeezing for you? Okay, let me see.
For my last eye.
Mhm.
Oh. Oh,
Mm.
I need it. Can you help me?